professional equipment were broken. All the above, therefore, I demand a repoll. மொத்தம் முறையிட்ட போது அவர் திமுகவுக்கு ஆதரவாக இருந்தார். மூக்காத்தாள் தெருவில் the state functionaries of the BJP here have provided the provocation and given room for such a rejoinder by our Deputy General Secretary. Now, as you all know, I have been invited to Delhi by the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, Mr. Advani, to discuss this issue. Such being the case, who has given the authority to these persons to preempt the national leadership? I will not do anything which will invite the anger of the people. So, whatever decision I take, whatever step I take will be measured and taken in the interest of the people of Tamil Nadu and in the national interest. Such being the case, the question does not arise of the people being angry with me for any decision I may take. My party was the first major new ally the BJP government got, and that was pre-election. While finalizing the alliance, there was an explicit understanding that the DMK government would be dismissed if the BJP-led alliance were to win. It was on this plank that we went to the people and asked them to vote for us, so that the people could be freed of the corrupt and anti-national Karunanidhi government. Today, wherever our cadres go in Tamil Nadu, the people are asking our cadres why the DMK is still in office, despite Tamil Nadu having given the BJP enough seats to enable them to form the government in Delhi. We expected this promise to be kept so that the new government would reflect the coalition character of the alliance and not function as a single party show. Unfortunately, I find that information on major decisions comes to me from the newspapers. Not only are we not consulted, there is as yet no functioning mechanism for coordination and consensus between the allies. So, we are prepared to trust them provided they deal fairly with us. Now, you are raising a question about the future of the BJP government, about the Vajpayee government. As I said already, the answer to that squarely depends on the BJP itself. I would recommend that Mr. Vajpayee should adopt a Gujarat doctrine in his relations with allied parties, giving up a big brother attitude and ensuring consultation and cooperation. Our demand is not an unjustified demand. Our demand is not for narrow personal or political considerations. It is in the interest of the nation's security. See, our demand is made not out of any personal motive or political motive, but in the interest of the security of the nation. Therefore, it is non-negotiable. The security of the nation is a non-negotiable subject.